See the pose. Yes. I like to sit in a cross leg. The important thing is that you are comfortable, your spine is long, and try to have the crown of your head to the sky. And you close your eyes and soften your gaze, and just connect with yourself. Just check with yourself how your body feels today. It's a moment to be quiet, to arrive to your mat, to arrive to your practice. Checking with your thoughts. You don't need to change anything, just being aware of who you are today. Just focus on your breathing as you inhale. Feel the expansion of your body. And as you exhale, feel how your body relaxes. Just inhale. Exhale. Stay a moment here, just connecting with your breathing, connecting with your space. And my invitation today, what I invite you today is to remember to give yourself permission. You deserve that your dreams come true. Open your eyes. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. So we will be working today in hips, legs, core, shoulders, everything to attempt to do the bird of paradise. We don't need to go all the way to bird of paradise, and even myself cannot do it completely, but it's just the journey to go there. How our body go there, we warm up our body, and then we go to the place that we can go. So for that, let's start laying down into your back. Actually, let's start on a seated pose with the legs extended. Extend the legs it's not as easy for you. You can bend the knees. We will warm up the hips, the spine, and the legs. Inhale, bring your arms up, reaching up. Exhale, fold forward. Make sure you exhale when you come forward, and then inhale, bring yourself again up. Exhale, fold forward. We are moving the body to warm up. Again, inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Feel that exhale. Feel the belly getting in when you exhale. Again, inhale. Expansion in your body. Exhale, feel how your body relaxes. Inhale up, and then this time bend the knees and gently come into your back. We start with your knees bent, feeling the sole of your feet into the mat, your spine, and bring the sole of your feet together, opening your knees, Supta Baddha Konasana. And we continue breathing and moving the body. Inhale, bring your knees together. Exhale, open. Feel your body just relaxing there. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale, knees up. Check what the part of your body is moving. Maybe your lower back, your hips, and now check other part of your body, maybe your shoulders. Keep breathing. Inhale. Exhale. One more inhale out. Exhale, knees open and stay there. Maybe you bring your hands to the inner side of your legs. Check that this is comfortable for you. You are listening to yourself. And then little pauses. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale. Bring the knees The sole of your feet together, knees are up. And then the next inhale, knees to your chest, open your knees to your armpit, and then sole of your feet to the sky. Like the position of child pose, what we do on using your hands. Inhale, extend the legs. Exhale, bend the knees. Inhale, extend the legs. Exhale, bend the knees. Inhale, exhale, this time grab any your feet for inside, for the outside, or maybe your legs. And let's move to one side and then the other side. This time maybe you feel the lower back relaxing, just massaging your lower back. And bring your knees into your chest, bring your hands to your knees, and let's do circles, just feeling you massaging your lower back, and imagine you are lubricating your hips and you move to one side and then the other side. And then just do it to the other side. Just circling from your hips. Inhale, knees to your chest, extend the legs to the sky, move your shoulder, move your toes, your ankle, and release the knees into the mat. Extend the legs long, inhale, arms overhead, reaching to each side. Exhale, arms to the side, keep the legs where they are. Inhale, up. Feel the shoulder, your spine moving. Exhale, arms to the side. One more inhale. When you are there, stay reach, good morning stretch. Movement to your wrist, to your finger, to your toes, to your ankles, anything that feels good for you. Maybe move your neck. Inhale. And exhale, knees into your chest. Grab the back of your legs. Rock and roll to come to the seated pose. When you come to the seated pose, let's open the legs long to the side. Bring your hands back to your fingertips. Inhale, bring your chest up. Exhale with long spine and keep the arms back, fold forward. Inhale up, exhale, fold forward. We are moving from your hips. Inhale up, exhale, fold forward. Inhale up, stay up, bring your arms up. And as you exhale, bring your hands into the mat to find the tabletop. Tabletop, like you. I always like to move my spine with cat and cow, and invite you to do that. Inhale, arch your back, gaze up. Exhale, round your back, chin to your chest. Inhale. Exhale. One more inhale. Gazing up, chest is up. And then bring your toes together, open your knees wide. Exhale and come to child pose. Toes together, you send the hips to your heels, then your arms forward, breathing forward to the mat. Let's come to that breathing through the nose. Inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. And exhale. Plant your hands into the mat. Let's come again to tabletop. Activate your belly. Extend the left leg long back. Point your toes. And now extend the right arm forward. The belly is active. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow and knee. Inhale, extend. Exhale, elbow and knee. Inhale, extend. Exhale, elbow and knee. Inhale, extend. Stay there. Breathe. Belly is active. And exhale, tabletop. And we do the other side. Step the right leg forward. The left arm forward, the right leg back. And you point your toes. Inhale. Exhale, elbow and knee. Inhale, extend. Exhale, elbow and knee. Inhale, extend. Exhale, elbow and knee. Inhale, extend. Stay there. Reach, breathe, reach. And exhale. Tabletop. And now let's move the hips and the spine a little more. When you hit sideways, bring your hips to the right, then back, to the left, option to add your neck. That's waving to you. We are just warming up the body before we start to do flows with Vinyasa. Next time that you come to the front, stay there. Do one inhale and exhale, flow to the other side. Inhale, tabletop. And let's find puppy pose. Extend your arms forward, 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 and bring your forehead to the mat. Belly's in, arms are extended. And if this is very easy for you, you can bring the chin to the mat instead of the forehead. Just check with yourself. And then the next inhale is come to tabletop. Grow your toes, find your downward facing dog. This is the first downward facing dog in the class. And we always do, just walk your toes, continue warming up your body. You bend one knee, extend one leg, and then the other. Just do it at your own. Feel the movement, your body. Inhale, let's come all to still downward facing dog. And then you exhale to come to high plank. Inhale, downward facing dog. Exhale, high plank. This time drop the knees and come all the way down into your mat. Forehead into the mat. Inhale, cobra pose. Chest is up, shoulders are back. Exhale, forehead to the mat. Bring your arms forward. Come to your forearms, sphinx pose. Chest is forward, gaze forward, shoulders back. Press to the top of your feet. And breathe here. Inhale and exhale, bring your forehead to the mat. Drag your hands into the mat, bring yourself to tabletop or high plank, and exhale downward facing dog. The next inhale, let's inhale, capture your toes, bend the knees, look forward, and then you exhale, walk to the front of the mat. Fold forward, bend the knees. Send your hands back to interlace your fingers, send your arms to the sky, breathe here. Keep sending the shoulders back, option to that movement, to your hips, to your arms, to your neck, anything that feels good for you. Check with your body, connect with your body, the sensation in your body. As you close your eyes and you breathe. Now engage your core, press to the sole of your feet and slowly bring yourself up to standing pose. Inhale, arms to the side and up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Samanditihi. Close your eyes and soften your gaze. And a moment to be quiet with yourself. And I invite you to make the intention here for the rest of the practice. First, make that connection between your body, your soul, and your mind. And remember, this is your own experience. Whatever this means for you, just practice this at this moment. And from here, I invite you to make intention for the rest of the practice. You already have an intention, bring that to your mind. If not, remember what I reminded you is just give yourself permission. You deserve what you dream. Sometimes we spend the time, we have dreams, but we don't give ourselves permission. Let's just think about that, breathe intention into your mind, and let's all breathe as a community to seal this intention. Let's inhale, open mouth, exhale. Inhale, mountain pose, raise your arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. So make sure you are in the front of the mat. And we will do 2 handstand salutation, modified handstand salutation. When we move up, we will do side bends. Just let's start. Breath and movement, connecting with yourself like movement meditation. Let's start. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, hands to your heart, fold forward, relax. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, mountain pose, reach high. Exhale, right hand grab the left wrist, you bend to the right. Inhale up, exhale, bend to the left. Inhale up, exhale, hand to your heart, fold forward, relax down. Inhale, halfway lift, shoulders back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, mountain pose, reach high. Exhale, bend to the right. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, bend to the left. Inhale, arms up, 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 stay there. Squeeze your glutes, send your hips forward, the chest is up, breathe here. Inhale, exhale, cactus hands, open your heart. Feel the chest, expansion, feel the stress of your shoulders, inhale. And then you exhale, come to the center, hands to your heart. Two sun salutations, breath and movement. Let's continue. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, hands to your heart, fold forward, relax down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your hands into the mat, send your feet back, high plank. Drop the knees and come all the way down into your belly, your forehead is into the mat. Inhale, cobra pose. Exhale, forehead to the mat. Inhale, tabletop or high plank. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, come to your toes, bend the knees, look forward, walk or flow to the front of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, mountain pose, reach high. Exhale, hands to the center. Let's continue flowing. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to your heart, fold forward, relax down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, mountain pose, reach high. Exhale, hands to the center. Let's take a moment here. Connect with that breathing pace that you create. And let's continue adding poses to warm up. You continue with warm up shoulders, core, and legs and hips, of course. Let's inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, cactus hands, elbows to the side. Chest is up. Squeeze your glutes. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Fold forward, relax down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your hands into the mat. Send your feet back, high plank. Drop the knees, chaturanga. Shift forward, mid plank. Exhale. Inhale, upward facing dog. Stay in upward facing dog. Press to the top of your feet. Send the shoulders back. Press to your hand. Long neck. Inhale. Exhale. Downward facing dog. Inhale, bring the right leg high. Exhale, low lunge. Foot between your hands. Stay here. Engage your core. Squeeze the left glute. Drop the back knee. Inhale, crescent moon. Reach your arms up. One more inhale. Exhale, hands to frame the front foot. Palms onto the mat, extend the back leg, low lunge. Inhale, easy twist. Reach with the wire up. One more inhale. Exhale, hands to frame the front foot. Send your hips back to align with the back knee. Extend the front leg. Press to your heel. Your toes are active. Inhale. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward. One more inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward. Stay there and breathe. Inhale, halfway lift. Bend the front knee. Plant your hands into the mat. High plank. Either side of your feet together. Right hand in your base. Swing the heels to the right. Side plank. Extend the left arm up. Breathe here. Inhale. Send the hips a little higher. Exhale. Hands to the mat. Downward facing dog. Inhale. Bring the left leg high. Exhale, low lunge, foot between your hands. Stay here, squeeze the right glute. Inhale, exhale, drop the back knee. Inhale, crescent moon. Reach with your arms to the sky. Stay there, breathe here, squeeze the right glute. Inhale, exhale, hands to frame the front foot, extend the back leg. Squeeze the right glute. Easy twist. Inhale, left arm up. Inhale, Exhale, both hands into the mat. Drop the back knee, send the hips to align with the back knee, extend the front leg. Inhale, exhale, half split, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward, stay there and breathe. Inhale, halfway lift. Bend the front knee. Both hands into the mat. Just find your high plank. Stay here. Or bring the either side of your feet together. Left hand in your base. Swing the heels to the left. Extend the right arm up. Stay here and breathe. Reach your upper arm up. Maybe your hips a little higher. Inhale. Exhale. Hands to the mat. Downward facing dog. Now bend the knees. Bring your toes together. Find your child pose. 2 rounds of breath here. Inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. And the next inhale, plant your hands into the mat and bring your torso up and forward. Chaturanga, mid-plane, modify. Inhale, upward facing dog. And inhale, up into your hands. Exhale, child pose. We flow through this modified vinyasa. Child pose to mid-plane. Inhale, up. Exhale, bend. Inhale, up. Exhale, child pose. Inhale, try to follow the breathing. We will do 4 of this one. Inhale, up, forward, bend it, exhale, bend the knees. Inhale, up, exhale, down, forward. Let's do 3. 2. 1. I don't know, I lost the count, sorry. Let's come to child pose. Stay in child pose, breathing. Plant your hands into the mat, inhale, and as you exhale, find your downward facing dog. And just walk your dog for a moment. Maybe keep the left leg extended with the top of the right foot behind your leg. Maybe you bring your big toe to grab the back of your ankle to create a little gravity there, working. Inhale and exhale. Let's exchange right leg long. Bring the top of the left foot behind the right leg. Inhale, come back to downward facing dog. Exhale. Inhale, come to your toe, bend the knees, look forward, just flow to the front of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, mountain pose, reach high. Exhale, hands to our center. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, twist to the right, right arm back, the other arm forward. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, twist to the left, left arm back, the other arm forward. Inhale, arms up. Continue flowing. Exhale, hands to your heart, fold forward, relax down. Inhale, halfway lift, your shoulders are back. Exhale, plant your hands into the mat, send your feet back, high plank. Stay in high plank, squeeze your glutes. And then, option to drop the knees or keep the legs extended. Chaturanga, chin forward, mid plank. Inhale, upward facing dog, shoulders back, squeeze your glutes. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, bring the right leg high. Exhale, low lunge, foot between your hands. Keep just find the foundation. I like to shorten my stand for me, but inhale, crescent lunge. Reach up. Bend the elbows, bring the right forearm to your back, and then try to reach the elbow, maybe your forearm with the other arm. When you find, you grab the back, your forearms, or your elbows, or your upper arms, you bring your shoulders back, and you open your chest, stretching your shoulders. Breathe here, inhale. Exhale, release your hands. Extend your arms down and then away from your lower back. Breathe here. Inhale, humble warrior. Come forward. Hinge forward. Extend your arms up. Relax your neck down. Listen. Release your hands to the front, in front of your front foot. Back, the waist in the front foot. And then back foot forward and up to standing split. Your version of standing split, any version is beautiful. Okay, you core, bend the back knee, and slowly bring yourself up to standing pose. And see if you can find your three pose without using your hands. Inhale, and as you exhale, send your arms down, airplane hands, send the left leg back, warrior three, and send the back leg back. Crescent lunge, a little challenge there. Inhale, exhale, both hands into the mat, downward facing dog. And we do the other side. Inhale, bring the left leg high. Exhale, lunge, foot between your hands. Let's find your foundation. Inhale, crescent lunge, reach, arms up. Squeeze the right glute. Inhale. Exhale, bend the elbows, send your arms back. Then the other side, we have the right forearm first. Now the left forearm first to your lower back, the other arm over, and then you grab your elbow, your forearms, or anything that you can grab there, and then send the shoulders, the chest up, shoulders back. Inhale. Exhale, release your hands, extend your arms down, away from your lower back, stretching your shoulders. Inhale. Exhale, humble warrior, hinge forward. Extend the arms up, release your neck down. Inhale. Exhale, release your hands in front of your front foot. The waist in the front foot, extend the back leg up and up to standing split. Version of standing split is beautiful, just know that. Inhale. Bend the back knee, engage your core, and slowly bring yourself up and see if you can find your version of tree pose without using your hands. Inhale, and as you exhale, arms to the side, airplane hands, send the right leg back to the version of warrior three, and then send the leg back. And you crescent lunge again. Inhale, exhale, both hands into the mat, find your downward facing dog. Inhale, come to your toes, bend the knees, look forward, walk or flow to the front of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift, exhale, fold forward. Inhale, mountain pose, reach high, exhale, hands to our center. Left leg to your base, bend the right knee. Extend the right leg to the front. Option two, you with the peace finger, you grab your toe and extend the leg to the front and maybe to the side. And then release, stretching your legs, and we do the other side. Right foot at your base, you bend the knee, extend the leg. Option with the peace finger, you grab the big toe. You extend the leg to the front and maybe to the side. Inhale and exhale. Release. Nice stretch there, the legs. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, hands to your heart, fall forward, relax down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your hands into the mat. Say, let me see what, okay, everything's fine. Plant your hands into the mat, send your feet back, high plank. Drop the knees, come all the way down into your belly, your forehead is into the mat. Send your arms back, interlace your fingers, shoulders back, inhale, locust pose. Chest is up, arms are up, legs are up. Breathe here. Inhale, exhale, release down, hands into the mat, Press yourself to tabletop or high plank. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, bring the right leg high. Exhale, low lunge. Foot between your hands. Swing the back foot down. Open your and bring yourself up to warrior two. Bend the left elbow. Bring your hand to your lower back and maybe you create half bound with that arm. The other arm is forward. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, extend the front leg and then let's come to triangle pose. Upper shoulder up, gaze up. Bend the front knee. Find your side angle pose. Maybe with half bound or maybe the full bound. Reaching with the upper shoulder up. Breathe here. Opening that shoulder. Inhale. Exhale. Both hands into the mat. Downward facing dog. We will do the other side. Inhale, bring the left leg high. Exhale, low lunge. Foot between your hands. Swing the back heel down. Find your warrior two. Opening to the side. Front knee bend. Bend the back elbow. Create half bound to your lower back or maybe ground your thigh. Let's inhale, extend the front leg, and as you exhale, find the triangle pose. Upper shoulder up and to your back. Triangle pose. Press to the sole of your feet. Inhale. Exhale, find your side angle pose. Option to stay here or grab your fingers. Send the upper shoulder up. Full bind. Inhale. Exhale, both hands into the mat. Downward facing dog. And then let's go into our version of bird of paradise. Inhale, bring the right leg high. Exhale, low lunge. Foot between your hands. Swing the back heel down. Find your side angle pose. The right forearm is in your front thigh. You extend the left arm up, opening your chest. Now you bend the elbow and you find you have bind and then reach the other arm under your legs and reach for the other arm. If you cannot grab your hands, you can have a strap and reach for the strap. So when you are here, you decide, this is my version of bird of paradise, or I can walk the back foot forward and bring both feet parallel to each other. It will be like this. And when you're here, left foot you base, you engage your core, and slowly start to bring yourself up. Maybe this is all what you can do. Oh, and maybe this is what I could do today. That's fine. So be grateful, bring your hands to your heart, be grateful for what you did. And then do the other side. Starting downward facing dog. Inhale, bring the left leg high. Exhale, low lunge, foot between your hands. Swing the back heel down. Find your side angle pose. Let me move to the other side that you can see. You know, every day is different, and then be proud with what your body was able to do today. So here you find the half bind. First, sending the upper shoulder up, and then find your full bind, grabbing your fingers, or if you cannot grab your fingers, you can have a strap. When you are done grabbing, just send the upper shoulder up, and then stay here. That's your version, or bring the back foot forward to bring both feet parallel to each other. When you are here, with both feet parallel to each other, right leg into your base, and then you bend the knee, you bring yourself all the way up to standing pose. When you come to standing pose, this is your version of bird paradise, or you extend the leg. Remember, it's your version, right here. And then release, bring your hands to heart center. It's okay, sometimes one side is better than the other one. It's different than the other one, just say it like that. Just bring your hands to your heart, reflect, just take a moment to reflect into bird of paradise, be proud of what you did. And let's continue. Inhale, bring your arms up, exhale, bend the knees, and slowly come all the way down into your back. We do some core here, shoulder your feet together, open your knees. Bring your hands to the side and palm facing down. And then you bring your knees into your chest and down. We do it for 8, 7, 6, 5, smile, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Extend the legs to the sky. Press to your heel, your toes pointed to you. Hips up, down. 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Eagle legs, right leg on top of the left leg. Grab your legs, inhale. Hands to hold your head, and then up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side, left leg on top of the right leg. Hands to hold your head is up and down for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release, bring your knees into your chest, open your knees. Happy baby, you got your feet from inside and from outside. Massage your lower back. Bring your knees into your chest. Grab the back of your legs, rock and roll to come to a seated pose. When you come to a seated pose, extend the right leg long, bend the left knee. Inhale, see if you can see. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, twist to the right, right and back, the other arm. Grab your thigh, your gaze to the side. Actually, with our bodies warm, you can go to the deepest twist, gaze back. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, fingertips back. Just fold forward. And then option to come to your fingertips into the front and just relax there. Moving to one side and then the other side. Inhale and exhale, fold forward. Inhale, up. Right hand inside and then extend the leg. Left arm up. Inhale, out. Exhale, fold forward to the right. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, open the legs to the side. This time, bring your fingertips back, similar what we did at the beginning of the class. Inhale, chest is up. Exhale, fold, fold. It's up, inhale, exhaling, fold, fold. Inhale, up. Exhale, fold forward. This time, stay there. Option to bring your hands to the front with here. Relaxing there. Inhale, slowly bring yourself up, bend the right knee. Keep the leg extended. Inhale, arms up. We will do the other side. Twist to the left. Left arm back, the other arm grab your thigh. Try to go to the deepest twist, your deepest twist. Inhale, bring your arms up. Left hand inside, extend the leg, the other arm overhead, gaze to the head. Inhale, arms up, and then fingertips to the side. Butterfly, just to bring your hands back, open your chest, option to bring your hips up. Inhale, exhale, release, and let's find a way to lay down into your back. Bring the sole of your feet about mat distance apart, and we will windshield wiper your legs to one side, then to the other side. Next time that you come to center, bring your feet about hip distance apart. Figure 4 right ankle about the left knee. Bring your knees into your chest. Option to bring your hands to hold you to your leg to bring your knees closer to you. Just breathe together. Inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. And then we exchange to the other side. Inhale, bring your knees into your chest. Option to grab your leg And we breathe together, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, bring your knees into your chest, and then to the mat. Just to do bridge pose, press to the sole of your feet, bring your hips up, bridge pose. Stay here, breathe. Little pauses, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Option to bring your hands under your back, shoulders blade together, put your weights in your shoulders, breathe here. One more inhale, and exhale, just calm down. Supta Baddha, sole of your feet together, open your knees wide. And let's bring one hand to your belly, the other hand to your heart. Let's breathe, feeling your breathing. Inhale, feel the expansion of your chest, your belly. Hold, and then exhale your belly and your chest. Hold. One more of these, one inhale. Exhale. Bring your knees together into your chest. Supine twist with knees together, knees to the left, gaze to the right. Breathe here. And then bring your knees into your chest. Send the legs to the right, gaze to the left. Inhale. And as you exhale, both knees into your chest. Option to bring your forehead to your knees to straight your back. Inhale. And as you exhale, release into Savasana. Extend the legs to the side, extend your arms, close your eyes, and just breathe here. Allow yourself completely relax here. Relax your jaw, relax your shoulders, relax your legs. And remember, meditation to you is that you give permission. You deserve. You deserve to dream. You deserve to achieve your dreams. You can stay for a little longer. Stay here and ignore my words. But you need to continue with the day. I invite you to start to add some movement into your body, maybe your fingers, your toes. Inhale, good morning, stress. Extend your arms overhead. And as you exhale, bend the knees and roll to the side that you prefer. We all meet in a seated pose with the eyes closed. Remember to give yourself permission. You deserve what you dream. Open your eyes. Inhale, bring your arms up, gaze up. Exhale, hands to our center. Inhale, bring your arms up, gaze up. Hands to your third eye. Namaste. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Beautiful.